How to add a new lock to your Alfred Home app. At the top right hand corner, click the plus, select a smart lock. Wake up your lock by pressing the key panel on the front so the keypad illuminates. Hit next. The app will then search for any Alfred Home locks that are in the area. Select the device that you want to pair and follow the instructions on the app. It will ask you if you've already entered a master PIN code to enter the master PIN code of the device that you've already set to make sure that you are the owner of that lock. And then follow the prompts through the app and the pairing process will be complete. Once it's connected, it'll add the device into your Alfred Home app and allow you to name the lock of your choice. Now it has selected the app, it's been successfully paired to your phone. Basically you can name it, so we're going to name it Home. Save it, and it'll now show up in your active devices. For more instructions, please follow the quick start guide or the programming guide provided with your lock, or head over to alfredlocks.com for further questions, or if you're having any issues, please make sure to call us toll free at 1-833-4-ALFRED or email us at support@alfredinc.com.